Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to reset your Interactive Broker's password step by step. Start by going to the Interactive Broker's login page. Look below the password field, and you'll see a link that says Forgot Password. Click on that. This will take you to a page asking you to confirm your identity. Alternatively, you can go directly to the credential recovery portal at ndcdin.interactivebrokers.com/credential.recovery/login-help if you prefer. On the identity confirmation page, there are two fields, one for your username and one for your date of birth. Type in your username first, then enter your date of birth in the format shown. Once you've filled in both fields, click the button to continue. Next, the system will send a verification code to either your registered email address or phone number. Check your inbox and your spam folder if you don't see it straight away. If you have IB-Key set up on your phone, you might need to approve the request there instead. Once you've got the code, type it into the verification field on screen and submit. After that verifies, you'll land on the password creation page. There's a field asking you to enter your new password. Your password needs to be between 8 and 40 characters long, must include at least one number, and can't have any spaces. Type in your new password, making sure it meets those requirements. You'll usually need to enter it twice, once in the main field and again in a confirmation field below. Once both fields match, click the button at the bottom to finalize the reset. The system will display a confirmation message letting you know your password has been successfully changed. Now you can head back to the login page and sign in using your username and the new password you just created. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, you'll be prompted for that as well. Couple of quick things to note: the password reset link expires after 60 minutes, so complete the process without leaving it too long. And if you run into any issues during the reset, say you can't access your registered email or phone, or your two-factor authentication is blocking you, Interactive Brokers only handles password problems over the phone, not via email or chat. You'd need to call their client services team directly, and they'll verify your identity before helping you regain access. That's the full process. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.